As a Jamaican American man, all too often, I see Jamaican men being sidelined in conversations surrounding issues that affect both Jamaican women and men, while there are segments of men, in communities that enjoy privileges that other communities of Jamaican women are not afforded. The current structures of power and privilege negatively and dangerously impact the experiences of Jamaican men, in Jamaica and around the world in unique ways. The bodies of Jamaican men are exoticized and hypersexualized, and the perceived notion of the strong power-packed Jamaican man and his culture is glamorized and retized. This fetishization reduces Jamaican men to an inaccurate and detrimental stereotype, and creates staggering rates of racial undertones and fetish-sized internet violence. These alarming rates of violence clearly demonstrate the need to acknowledge and halt the racial discrimination behind it. The racism and sexism that feed these alarming stereotypes provide a clear link to the rate of violence against Jamaican men, and it has started to affect their mental health, because they cannot tell anymore if someone really likes them, or if they are just trying to live out an exotic Jamaican male fantasy. The pressure to always be ready to perform when someone is winking at them is contributing to them developing mental health issues and low sperm count. They are pressured to live up to these sexualized robotic performer fantasy that Jamaican people and foreign men and women have of them. To combat this, we must stop dehumanizing individuals and entire communities. The continuation of these sexual Jamaican male fantasy on the internet has helped it to spread around the world. These fantasies and objectification has made Jamaican men afraid to speak up about passive-aggressive sexual fetishes when they travel abroad to find work. During periods of colonization, Jamaican men were raped and sexually assaulted. The colonization of the Jamaican male bodies in those times played an important part of history that has contributed to the fetishization of Jamaican men to this day.